Welcome to the MDC Loctite Adhesive Station tutorial. In this video, we will discuss safety concerns, adhesive station anatomy, how to reference the adhesive binder, the proper way to use adhesives, and how to use the UV curing machine. Some safety concerns are as follows. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry. Wear gloves when using the adhesive station. Make sure that 2 layers of brown paper are lining the adhesive station, and make sure that everyone close to the station, including yourself, wears protective eye gear when using the UV curing machine. This is the adhesive station. Always make sure that there are 2 layers of clean, brown paper covering the workspace. If there is adhesive on the paper when you are done with the station, be sure to replace the paper with a clean layer. Clean paper can be found in the back of the electronics lab under the 3D printers. In these drawers, as well as on the table, are adhesives provided by Loctite. With their generous donation and support, we are able to provide MDC users with this resource. Thank you, Loctite. The top drawer houses instant adhesives and instant adhesive primers. There are different varieties to fit various needs in different materials. How to pick the right adhesive will be discussed shortly. This drawer holds light cure acrylics. Again, there are many different varieties. This last drawer holds 1 and 2 part epoxies. If any adhesives are low or missing, be sure to inform a lab supervisor so that the adhesive can be replaced. Next, we will discuss how to determine the correct adhesive to use for a particular project. Under the adhesive station is a white binder. The front of the binder explains the different kinds of adhesions, as well as the different kinds of stress that can be put on a piece. Make sure to reference this when planning to attach pieces together. The binder also has tabs located on the side to organize potential materials for applying adhesive. Let's use aluminum and steel as an example. We can flip through the pages to find the one that says aluminum. Over on the next page, there is a list of adhesives that can be applied to aluminum. Each adhesive in this table also has various properties listed, such as heat age. Be sure to reference these to find the best adhesive for your particular project. Since we want to bind aluminum to steel, we want to find an adhesive that can be used for both. To do this, reference both the aluminum and steel pages to see what they have in common. Now let's cover how to properly use adhesives. First, remember to tie back your hair, roll up your sleeves, and put on gloves. Gloves can be found to the right of the station. Next, find the adhesive that best fits your project by first referencing the binder and then choosing an adhesive from the white drawer. When choosing an adhesive, be sure to pick out the container with the least amount left. Once opened, the containers of adhesive are only viable for about a month, and picking the one with the least left helps to conserve the adhesive supply. There are paintbrushes available to apply adhesive. This works well for both small and large areas. When you are finished with the paintbrush, clean it with some Goo Gone and soap at a sink. To apply adhesive, unscrew the container cap and apply the adhesive to your material. Press a second material to the first in the way you want them to be adhered. With adhering concentric pieces, turning one of the pieces a quarter turn will ensure a Loctite stick. Apply pressure and allow your pieces to dry. This is the UV curing machine, and it's located to the right of the adhesive station. Before turning on the UV curing machine, be sure to follow safety protocols, such as tying up hair and making sure that everyone in the vicinity is wearing UV protective eyewear. To turn on the UV curing machine, press the start button. The user will use the small laser-like attachment on the machine in order to harden light cure acrylics to bind materials. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, if you have any questions regarding the Loctite adhesive station, please ask a lab supervisor.